Lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's me again, Momandprettyimisi, and I'm here on another episode of unboxing and reviewing designer bags. So today we're not doing designer bags only, I'm also doing designer shoes. Okay guys, sit tight and let's get started. The first item I'll be reviewing today is the Milano mini top handle bag. It arrived carefully wrapped with an additional package option in case you like to gift it to someone. The bag is a high quality replica featuring pink puffy leather paired with a shiny gold tone hardware. The interior includes a zipper pocket, while the exterior showcases a detachable chain strap with a 19.7-inch drop and a spring closure. The chain itself is a lovely shine that adds to the bag's elegance. Overall, the bag is absolutely beautiful. I especially love the color and the details. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. It is awesome. I love the color. I also love the strap here. This is like a chain strap. This is our first product, and let's go to the other one. The next one is a shoe, and it's Dior. Let's see. Miss Dior. All right, a lot of stuff in here. All this packaging. You know how much I love shoes. So one of my favorite colors, purple. Ooh, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. This is size 40, everyone. All the accessories. There we go. I love the heels. They're not so high. A Dior bag, honestly. This one is so big. You can imagine. Okay guys, so I wanted a nice shopping bag and I got one, lovelies. So this is the Dior shopping bag. A lot of space in there. Look at this. Tell me, if you're going shopping, if you're a mom, a nursing mom, you know, who doesn't really like all those nursing bag on the back and you want something fancy, something classic, I think that's the Dior shopping bag. It is one awesome bag you should have. So for all those 12 hours workers, if you're working a 12-hour shift, you're packing a whole lot of stuff, this is for you. This one is for you. To take a lot. To take changing clothes, soap, bath, snacks, food, everything. To take it. Look at this, it's so huge. I also got this because I wanted something to pack all my books, my manuals for church. Being a Sunday school children teacher, I wanted something I can pack, you know, all the snacks, all the manuals, Bibles, pencils, journals in here, and this is just sufficient for me. I love it. Look at the brim. It's so huge. So the other one here is a sneaker, New Balance sneaker, just like the likes of Nike. So I wanted this New Balance because I just wanted to change some of my sneakers. So this one is a designer sneaker. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this pair of New Balance shoes are available for both men and women. The sole is thick, durable and cushioned, providing excellent support for long hours of walking or running. I personally chose the women's size 39, which fits comfortably and true to size. I've dropped all the links of today's designer products on the video description, so go ahead and grab those links as you need them and start shopping right away. So if you shop through the link on the video description, you have some discounts for you, so go ahead and grab this link and start shopping. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and families, your co-workers who are looking for sneakers for work, bags or shoes for occasions. Let them grab those links and choose any products they would like to. So go ahead and start sharing this video. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.